Just a quick reminder that we'll be starting the new year with ceremony with a new Sacred Landscapes course, which begins on January 2nd, 2021. And in the first part of the series, Exploring Sacred Landscapes, we dove into the notion of bridging the three worlds of shamanic consciousness and externalizing our inner lives through the construct of a mesa. In other words, we discussed a number of essential shamanic concepts from the inside out. And in this new series titled Rebuilding Sacred Landscapes, we're going to be revisiting some of these really important concepts and teachings, but we're going to be exploring them from the opposite direction, really from the outside in. And when you come to these bits of wisdom from the opposite side, a whole new world of information opens up. And the true depth of these ancient concepts really starts to take shape. So I'm personally really excited about this new series because this particular information really revolutionized my entire approach to almost every aspect of shamanism. But it's also important to mention that this new series isn't just a re-examination of these key shamanic concepts. We're also going to be diving into a ton of new material, including one of my favorite teachings, seguros. And seguros are these jars of ritually prepared herbs. And they're these incredibly powerful medicine items that are intentional ways of rebuilding specific landscapes and the medicines that grow there. In many ways, they really exemplify the quintessential medicine item, which is why their teachings, or the teachings that surround seguros, is so rich and deep and illuminating. So the construction of a seguro provides the healer direct access to the healing presence of specific key places in nature, as well as the individual spirits and the medicines that dwell there. So in other words, seguros are quite literally able to move mountains and rivers and highland lagoons. So when you can't go to the mountain, you can learn how to bring the mountain to you. And the way the ancient teachings are brilliantly designed is that when you learn to work with your personal seguro, you'll be simultaneously learning all these other advanced concepts about the inner workings and the invisible infrastructure of how other important medicine items function. So seguros provide an incredibly stable platform to unpack and dive into explanations of other forms of medicine items like artes and cuyas and estrillas and conopas and illas and other forms of encaichu, which will really help to enhance and diversify the array of items that you're able to work with within your personal shamanic practice. So if you're interested in unlocking newfound levels of depth and functionality to the items that you deem sacred, go ahead and feel free to click the link near this video to learn more about what I'll be offering in this course, and also to sign up to reserve your place in Circle.